Supreme Court cracks down on the unholy builder-bank nexus that often exploits home buyers. Supreme Court has ordered a CBI probe into the builder-bank nexus in builder projects in Delhi, NCR, Mumbai, Chandigarh, Mohali and also Kolkata. Supreme Court has directed the formation of an SIT to probe the builder-bank nexus that often exploits home buyers by deducting EMIs without providing possessions. My colleague Nupur Dogra joins us with more details on this. Nupur, explain to us what did the Supreme Court say today, and what kind of a relief is this for home buyers across the country?
Well, it is in fact indeed a very big relief for home buyers across the country, as Supreme Court today has ordered a CBI probe. Not only a CBI probe, it has ordered a constitution of a special investigation team and has said that it will be monitoring the probe. The court will be monitoring the probe every month. The Supreme Court has in fact said, especially for the super tech builders, the court noted that out of 1,200 home buyers aggrieved home buyers who have approached the top court, almost 800 were from super tech builders, and they have now ordered a separate preliminary inquiry into this allegation against the super tech builders and their alleged nexus with top banks of the country, where they are charging the home buyers in the prematurely, where the EMI is already deducted from their banks, whereas they have not yet got the possession. So this is part of a subvention scheme. The court had previously also took a very dim view of these subvention schemes that have been going on across these major cities. Now the top court has in fact directed a CBI probe in major cities including Allahabad, Kolkata, Delhi, NCR and Mumbai, Chandigarh and Mohali. So the top court has now taken note of all these alleged nexus that is going on between banks and builders, where they enroll home buyers into subvention schemes, and without even giving them possession, they keep deducting their EMIs. So many aggrieved home buyers have approached the top court. Now, in a big development, the top court has not only ordered a CBI probe but has also directed constitution of a SIT and has issued several directions to nodal authorities across UP, Noida, all the states that are involved, and in fact the RBI as well. So now the top court has said that it will take the matter to conclusion and will make sure that these home buyers are not held to ransom by these builders.